Powered by Plascon, today's handy heroes come from Chamberlain Hardware in Strubens Valley.
Store opened in 2017, towards the end. I think it was October or November of 2017. It was the 8th store of the Chamberlain franchise that's opened up. At Chamberlain's, we pride ourselves on customer service. Not only customer service, but expert customer service. We focus on making sure that our staff are extremely well trained up. From day one of them starting, we push them into training. Any supplier, any product, we make sure that they are clued up and they can help a customer from the start of their project to the end. We have that very personal relationship with most of our customers. We know them by name, they know us by our names. Try to keep it very friendly, very relaxed, which often keeps the customers at ease and keeps them wanting to come back. I think what's very nice about the Plascon brand is that it's extremely well known. It's a household brand. People have been using Plascon for years and they have the quality to back it up, have the name to back it up, and they have the service to back it up. Our favorite products would probably be the Velvaglow range, both water-based and oil-based. I just believe for what you pay for the product and the quality that you get, it's next level. DIY tip, preparation in painting is 90% of the work. Not only should you prepare the surface, you should prepare it 100%, following the steps, each and every step. You can't skip out a primer or an undercoat. You start with your surface prep, your filling, your sanding, apply your primer, apply your undercoat, apply your top coat. Most importantly, let the paint dry to the recommended drying times in between each product application. Chamberlain's, famous for hardware since 1903.
Handy heroes powered by Plascon. We've got this.
South Africans know tough. It's built into our DNA. We know how to outweather and outlast the harshest conditions. When the cracks start to show, we go the extra mile. Our strength is legendary. Our resilience, iconic. And despite the odds, we know what gets the job done. Microtex, strong enough to endure anything.